Alright then, we are at Methley North Level Crossing, and this is where we're here. You can see if any trains could come. Yes! And I did hear something, but when the signal gone red, it should actually advised react if the driver can probably see me. But my signal just went green. And I'm gonna wait when my signal goes red. And after when we're going for a walk, you can see if any trains is going to come and their signal green. It's coming up in between March 2023 to December 26th. That will be the route direction. It goes red! See, I see it comes. Wait, it's gonna give a whistle.